Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete recently deleted photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you get to Utilities or click on Collections on iOS 26. Scroll down until you get to Utilities. Under Utilities, locate and click on Recently Deleted. Click on View Album to use your Face ID or passcode to access the recently deleted photos and videos on your iPhone. Now, to delete all your recently deleted files on the Photos app, click on Select at top right. Then, click on the three dots at top right as well. Locate and click on Delete All. Then, click on Delete from this iPhone. And then, you should see all the recently deleted photos and videos deleted, and then you are good. So, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.